If you're just getting started with Make.com and want to know how to set it up fast, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the beginner step in under 60 seconds so you can start automating the right away. First, head to Make.com and create a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your main control center where all your automations or scenarios are live. Click on create a new scenario to begin your first automation. Now choose your first app. This will be your trigger, the event that starts everything. Let's say you choose Google Sheets. You'll connect your Google account, select the specific spreadsheet, and tell Make where to trigger the automation, like when a new row is added. Next, click the plus icon to add another step. This could be sending an email, updating a Notion database, or posting a message in Slack. Just pick up the app, connect your account, and fill in the settings using data from your trigger step. When everything is set up, click run once to test your scenario. Make sure the automation works, then save it and turn it on. That's it. Your beginner setup on Make.com is done in a minute. That's all. If this helps you get started, hit that like button. Comment with any questions and make sure to subscribe for more simple no code tutorials.